All right, now, so here's a preview from 2023 GovCon conference.
I am Stephanie. The name of my company is called ACJ Luxury Maintenance. I have been following Eric since about 2018. It was 2 years before I decided to take the leap and really jump into the GovCon market and really take it seriously. I would say I have learned so much through the years, and when I decided to take it seriously, my very first contract was a subcontract. And one of the things that Eric said was, if you really want to get into the market, it's better to start as a subcontractor. I did the podcast, so if you guys could listen to Making a Giant, you'll hear more of the story, but I only got 3 minutes. So I'm not going to go through detail, but I started out as a subcontractor during the height of COVID. I opened up my business, that particular business, in March of 2020. I got my first subcontract in April of 2020. And we moved from being a business of 0 to 40 people within a matter of 3 days. So it was a journey. It was definitely a journey. Our first contract was over $1 million, and we were able to work with the Department of Veterans Affairs. And yeah, I just attribute a lot of it to being a part of the GovCon Giants and a part of the GovCon Giants community. And the main thing that I get out of it more than the courses is the people. I enjoy listening to the different stories. I learn from them. It helped me to really navigate the troubles that I was having because I'm with a group of people that are going through the same thing. So I really encourage you to really become a part of the community, really immerse yourself, really talk to your peers, and learn from each other.